I work at Nolathon and I want to tell you something, not as a pitch, but just as someone who sees this from inside. I have been here for over an year now. I talk to learners, I talk to trainers, I sit with feedback. And something is genuinely different here. Part of my work involves talking to people, our learners, our trainers, our accredited partners. I ask them about their experience with Nolathon and I listen. And what comes back, it's not generally the course was good, it's much more personal than that. For example, a professional who finally got the clarity he'd been looking for. A team that started performing differently after training. A trainer who said, "This is the only space where I feel like my work matters." These are not just things we rehearsed or nobody asked them to say it. It just came out, and that's when I knew. We are not really in just training business. We are in the business of helping people grow. Certifications are the byproduct of what we do. Here is something we do that I haven't seen anywhere else. Before we recommend anything, we ask. Where are you right now in your career? Where do you want to go? And what's holding you back? We call it diagnose first. It sounds simple, but think about how most training companies work. You come in with the requirement, they sell you a course. We don't do that. If the certification you are asking about isn't the right fit for your career or where you want to go, we share it with you. We are honest about it, even if it means more introspection and delayed yet right decisions. I have seen this happen. We pointed someone elsewhere because it was the honest answer. That's not a sales tactic, that's just who we are. And people remember that. They come back because of it. Almost 80% of our clients come back to us after the first training. The other thing we do, and this one is unique, genuinely, is K-Prime. Learning doesn't always happen the first time, and we know that. Work gets in the way, a concept doesn't click, life happens. With K-Prime, you don't lose your access to learning when the session ends. You get unlimited live sessions, not recordings, live for 1 full year from your first class. Come back when you are ready. Come back if something wasn't clear. Come back just to understand the topic deeper. You pay for learning once, you get it until it's yours. No one else in this space offers this. And the reason is simple. It requires believing that learning is the goal, not the invoice. We have trained over 50,000 professionals globally. 250 plus certifications across IT, project management, security, AI governance, service management, cloud, agile, and many more. We are accredited by PeopleCert, PMI, Exin, CompTIA, the Open Group, PECB, VMEDU, Microsoft, Linux Professional Institute. So many. So when you train with us, the certificate you receive is backed by the bodies that the industry actually respects. But what I keep coming back to isn't just the numbers. It's the stories behind them. A manager who cleared ITIL and restructured how her entire team works. A professional who almost gave up on PMP but came back through K-Prime and passed. Small movements, real ones, and that's what this adds up to. If you are a professional figuring out your next move in your career, we can help you find the right path, not just the popular one. If you have done training before and it did not stick, K-Prime is built for exactly that. Come back, we hold you space for that. If you are building a team, an L&D head, a delivery manager, a GCC leader, we don't come in with a catalog. We come in with questions. We figure out what your team needs. Then we build from there. We work with individuals and organizations across India and globally. Whatever stage you are at, the conversation starts the same way. What do you need? Explore everything at www.nolathon.com or just reach out to our all socials or contact details given below. Tell us where you are. We will take it from there. Till then, learn, grow, and repeat.